It's not just a minor inconvenience, is it? In today's fast-paced business world, being disconnected for even a few minutes can feel like an eternity. Calls pile up, messages go unread, and that important meeting you needed to join? Missed. Your productivity takes a hit, and let's be honest, your stress levels probably spike a little too. You start thinking about all the things you should be doing, all the people you need to reach, and all the opportunities that might be slipping away. And it's not just about forgetting your password. Sometimes, for security reasons, you might want to change it. Maybe you suspect someone else has gained access, or perhaps you just practice good digital hygiene and regularly update your credentials. Whatever the reason, knowing how to quickly and efficiently reset your RingCentral password isn't just a good skill to have. It's an essential one for maintaining your workflow and peace of mind. Think about it. RingCentral isn't just a phone system. It's your unified communication platform. It's where your calls live, your messages reside, your faxes are sent and received, and your video conferences take place. It's the digital lifeline connecting you to your team, your clients, and your partners. When that lifeline is cut, even temporarily, the ripple effect can be significant. Customer queries go unanswered, team collaborations are stalled, and crucial deadlines might be jeopardized. So, how do you get back in the game? How do you regain control of your communication hub and get back to business as usual without a massive headache or a lengthy support call? That's exactly what we're going to tackle today. We're going to walk through the process of resetting your RingCentral password, step by step, making it as painless and straightforward as possible. Whether you've completely forgotten your password, or you just want to update it for better security, this guide will have you covered. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly establish a few things. This process is designed to be user-friendly, and RingCentral has made it remarkably intuitive. You won't need to be a tech wizard or have any special software installed. All you'll need is access to the internet, and usually, either your registered email address or your phone number associated with your RingCentral account. These are the key pieces of information RingCentral will use to verify your identity and ensure that only you are resetting your password. Security is paramount, and these verification steps are in place to protect your account. Alright, let's get started. There are a couple of scenarios we need to consider. Scenario 1. You've forgotten your password completely. This is probably the most common situation, and thankfully, it's also the easiest to resolve. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the RingCentral login page. You'll usually find this by searching for RingCentral login or going directly to service.ringcentral.com. Once you're on the login page, you'll see fields for your username or email and your password. Below these fields, you'll find a crucial link, Forgot Password. This is your golden ticket back into your account. Click on it. Once you click Forgot Password, RingCentral will prompt you to enter either your email address or your phone number associated with your account. It's essential to use the one that RingCentral has on file for you. If you use an email address that isn't linked to your account or a phone number that isn't recognized, the system won't be able to proceed. So, double-check your input here. After entering your information, click Submit or Continue. Now, RingCentral will send you a verification code. This code will typically be sent to either your registered email address or your phone number via SMS, depending on the option you chose in the previous step. This is a critical security measure to ensure that only the legitimate owner of the account can reset the password. Check your email inbox, including your spam or junk folders, or your phone's text messages for this code. It might take a minute or two to arrive, so be patient. Once you receive the code, go back to the RingCentral password reset page and enter the verification code in the designated field. Be careful to enter it correctly, as even a single mistyped character can invalidate it. After entering the code, click Verify or Submit. If the code is correct, you'll then be prompted to create a new password. This is where you get to set a strong, memorable password that you'll hopefully not forget again. RingCentral will usually have some password requirements, such as a minimum length, the inclusion of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and sometimes special characters. Make sure your new password meets these requirements to ensure it's robust and secure. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birth date or common words. A strong password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Once you've entered your new password, you'll typically need to confirm it by typing it again to ensure there are no typos. After confirming, click Reset Password or Save, and that's it. You should now see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully reset. You can now go back to the main login page and log in with your username or email and your brand new password. Congratulations, you're back in business. Scenario 2. You know your current password, but you want to change it for security reasons. This scenario is even simpler. If you're already logged into your RingCentral account, or you can log in with your current password, you can change it directly from your account settings. Once you're logged into your RingCentral account, look for your profile picture or your name in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will usually appear. From this menu, look for an option like Settings, My Profile, Account Settings, or something similar. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your RingCentral interface, but it will generally be under a section related to your personal account management. Once you're in your account settings, navigate to the Security or Password section. You'll typically see a field for your current password and then fields to enter and confirm your new password. You'll need to enter your current password first to verify your identity. This is a crucial security step to prevent unauthorized changes to your password if someone were to gain access to your logged-in session. After entering your current password, you can then enter your new password, making sure it meets RingCentral's strength requirements. Confirm your new password by typing it again, and then click Save Changes, Update Password, or a similar button. You'll usually receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully updated. It's a good practice to log out and then log back in with your new password to ensure everything is working correctly. This also helps to ensure that your new password has been properly registered by the system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.